Good
Good morning,
afternoon, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's Maisa.
Good morning,
ये
ma'am.
क्या है मेरा क्या है
मुझे छोकरा खरीदना
It's your mom, Ziba.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Morning, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Emily.
आपने देखना लड़का पढ़ा रही है, देखो बुक निकालो बैग से।
Countdown. You have to take out both books.
मेरा बुक काउंट डाउन दोनों
Take out book and countdown book. Today we will learn about money.
मनी सुन रही हो माइजी?
You open page number 95 and 96.
ये कौन सा सर
Of annual 91 and 92.
काउंट डाउन
90
Wow, wow. 96 चला
91 92 89 90
89 99 क्या
इधर इधर ध्यान दो।
मैम ये कौन सी क्लास है
आती हूँ
Class beta.
मैम ये क्लास कौन है
KG class. Ma'am, Abiba is taking maths.
मैम पेज नंबर
First, you have to open countdown book. Open page number 95. Here we will learn about money.
ये लो अब काम करो यहाँ से
In the form of points and notes. Here I have pasted some notes for you. There are some coins as well. This is
मैम आपकी क्लास समझ में नहीं आ रही
I hope so. आप लोगों ने भी coins देखे होंगे 1 rupee के।
मैम
Here I have pasted some notes. This is 10 rupees note.
10 rupees
20 is written. It's 20 rupees note. 50 rupees. 10 rupees.
20 rupees is not 20 rupees
10,000. And here one more note that is of 5,000 rupee note.
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही
Beta, I'm just showing you money in the form of coins
मैम
and
उर्दू में बोलेगी मैम आप सबकी आवाज म्यूट कर दे
Okay, beta.
दो बैग मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही
Beta, listen carefully. Listen carefully, then you can listen, ma'am, easily, please. Please come to the next page. That is page number 96. Now we are here to buy some things. Some papers are here on your book. Here some coins.
मैंने किया हुआ है
Objects are here. Here notes are here and 2 objects are here. So we will see whether we can buy these things or not. We will write yes or no. See, have we have 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. And your apple's cost is Rs 5 rupees. So we have 5 rupees. We will write here, yes, it's written. So you will write here now, yes or no. See, we have 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. Balloon is of 4 rupees. So we will write here no.
एप्पल वाला
On the balloon.
एप्पल वाला मैं अब तक खाया था एन
ये लिखा हुआ है मेरे
And no. We have 3 rupees and balloon is of 4 rupees. So we write here no. We couldn't buy it. See the next one. A cat is here. Cat is here and cat cost is Rs 50 rupees. We have 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 50 rupees note. Yes, we can buy a cat. So what we will write here? We will write here yes. Y-E-S, yes. You will write with man. Yes, see the next one. A clock is here and the cost of clock is Rs 200 rupees. And we have 100 rupees and 50. We have 150 rupees. So we couldn't buy this clock. So what we will write here? We will write here no. N-O, no. Today we are learning about money. Yes, it's all about Pakistan currency that is in the form of coins and notes. Coins are made up of metal and notes are made up of paper. Yes, now beta, you have to open book MEL, page number 91. Here is also same topic, money. We will just revise this page. See, here is also MEL book. Yes, on the page number 91. This page is also about money. Yes, you can see here there is 1 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupee coin and a 10 rupees note. So look, these are also pasted on the whiteboard. Turn to the next page, that is page number 92. Look, now we are here in a shop. We have money and now we are here in the shop. Look at the picture. What you can see in the shop, there are some dolls, a duck, car, dogs, ball, cars, bicycles. Who is this man? This is shopkeeper. And this is the boy. Boy wants to shop something. Yes, look at the picture. Ali buys a car. Ali ने एक कार ली and a ball और एक ball लिया. How much does he spends all together? उसने कितनी मनी स्पेंड की? तो हम देखते हैं, हाँ, कार पे उसकी अमाउंट लगी है. कार कितने रुपीस की है? 4. We will write in the first box 4 plus and a ball. बॉल कितने की है? RS 6. We will write in the next box 6. When we will count these all together, 6 and 4, what will be our answer? 10. Yes, Ali spent 10 rupees. All of you have written? Wave your hand, please. Now see the down one question. Ali has RS5. He buys a car. ₹5 है और अली ने क्या लिया? कार ले ली. How much money is he left with? अब उसके पास कितनी मनी रह गई है? तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है, क्योंकि उसने अमाउंट अपनी मनी यूज की है, तो हमने देखना है कि उसके पास कितनी मनी रह गई है. तो 5 - 4 जब हम करेंगे, 5 में 4 कट कर देंगे, तो उसके पास रेस्ट कितनी मनी रह गई है? रिमेनिंग मनी है 1. So you will write in the box 1. Students, we all have done this? Yes. सब लोगों को वाले क्वेश्चन समझ आ गए?
Yes. Assalamualaikum, ma'am. Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
तो 10 रुपए का नोट है, 20 है, तो 20 रुपए का नोट, तो 50 है.
50 rupees note.
Okay, students. Sorry for disturbance. पेज नंबर 89 हम लोग कर रहे थे MEL बुक का. ये देखिए, हम लोग काउंटिंग इन टूज मीन पेयर्स की बात कर रहे हैं. ये देखिए, 2 wheels हैं, 2 socks, 2 flowers and 2 dolls are here. Now we will solve these 2 questions and we will count these sets of 2. 1 set, 2 set, 1 set, 2 set, 3 set. But when we will count these all together, we will write here the number. Yes, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 2 sets, but here are 4 wheels. So we will write here 4. Yes, now we will count these pair of socks. So if we will count pairs, so we will count like this, 1, 2, 3. But when we will count these all together, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these all together are 6. We will write here 6. This is all about groups and counting in twos. Here is a homework for you people, that is on page number 90. Here you also have to practice counting in twos and groups. This page you will do as a homework. You will ready and prepare your page with date, day and classwork. Okay, I hope so. आपको आज का लेसन समझ आ गया होगा, जो कि मनी से रेलेवेंट था और हमने उसमें ग्रुप्स बनाए. किसका ग्रुप बनाया? 2 का ग्रुप बनाया. आप सब लोगों ने अपने नेम विद क्लास एंड सेक्शन चैट बॉक्स में सेंड करने हैं ताकि आपकी अटेंडेंस लग जाए.